You can perform quota planning to set and analyze data-driven, intelligent sales quotas using best practice methodologies such as top-down centralized, top-down waterfall, and bottom-up. You can base your target quota on prior year's sales and consider last year's bookings to specify year-over-year growth for all territories. You can also specify targets by running a prediction and use the results to plan quota by territory, product, account, or any other category that you use. And you can perform what-if analysis to evaluate different scenarios and then compare those scenarios to the base plan. Let's set quota targets. I'll start by running a prediction for all worldwide territories. Historical data is retrieved and then analyzed using time series forecasting techniques to predict the future performance within these territories. After the prediction runs, you can see the results, which provide detailed information about the prediction. Depending on the data, the system predicts using the method with the greatest accuracy. To determine the prediction method, many factors are evaluated, such as what historical data is available and whether or not the data follows a trend or includes seasonality. I'll copy the predicted data to the planned scenario. I want to set the data for all time periods and all territories. I can review the data and make changes. I'll accept the predicted values. I can use the results to compare the predicted values to my planned target values. I'll use the predicted values as my target values in the plan. Alternatively, I can specify an overall target by entering a specific amount. I can also set quota based on year-over-year growth from last year's bookings. After I've set my initial target quota, I can perform what-if analysis to evaluate different scenarios. I can then compare those scenarios to my base plan and choose to use them in my plan. I'll set percentage values for the listed scenarios to calculate quota for each scenario. The values are calculated on the plan target quota. So, if best case is set to 5%, then it's 5% more than the plan target quota value. You can accept the results from one of your what-if scenarios as your plan target quota. You can make quota adjustments by territory or product. Often, the growth rate across product lines is different. I'll adjust the growth rate for some of the products and view the adjusted quotas. After finalizing target quota, I'll discuss the plan with our Chief Revenue Officer. I'll review the predefined dashboard to provide insight into overall quota planning. And I'll review revenue information and target quota, the high-level quota plan for all territories, along with other important measures. I'll review information by industry, territory, product, or any other categorizations. I'll also hand off this plan to the sales VPs so that they can review the plan further before allocating the target quota throughout the organization. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.